My name is Øyvind Littegaard. I am a gynecologist from Rigshospitalet in Copenhagen, Denmark, University of Copenhagen. I have made studies on the risk of venous thrombosis in users of different types of hormonal contraception. And I'm not the only one, and my opinion is that we now have 10 studies demonstrating clear differences between users of different types, and that we now have to make clinical consequences of these new findings, shifting women from high-risk products to low-risk products. And by doing this, we can reduce the occurrence of venous thrombosis in young women with about 25%, and among users of hormonal contraceptives with 50%. And I think it's time that we do that now, so that women can continue to benefit from the different types of hormonal contraception. Another benefit from our new knowledge is that we know that women at an increased risk of venous thrombosis, they can now safely take progesterone-only products, including intrauterine device with hormones, including implants, including progesterone-only pills. And it's a very important achievement that we now know that we can give these women some kind of hormonal contraceptions where they previously were told not to use any kind of hormonal contraception. And I think it is important clinical messages for my colleagues all around the world. Thank you.